Hey there, Elite owners. This is Will, and I'm a product concierge here at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. Today I'm going to be going over how to preset your stations for your radio. So first things first, you're going to head over to your radio selection. So whatever desired station you want, make sure it is selected. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and press on whatever preset you'd like it to go to, and it'll go straight to that one. If you wanted to use your touchpad in the center, you would go ahead and hold down on the pad until this pops up, and then you can either move or delete it. For this instance, we'll delete it so it goes away. And then that is how you save and delete your presetted stations for your radio. I hope this was helpful for you.